Hello, my name is Sophie King, and today I'll be discussing about how instructional strategies can support diverse learners, increase student motivation, and promote engagement in the classroom. Let's start by talking about learning styles and multiple intelligences. We all know that students learn in very different ways. Some are visual learners and prefer to see their information through charts, videos, or diagrams. Others are auditory learners. They grasp content through listening to lectures or discussions. Then there are kinesthetic learners who understand best by doing through hands-on activities. By recognizing these differences, we can adapt our teaching strategies to meet each student's unique needs. This idea is also supported by Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, which suggests that students have strengths in areas like logical reasoning, language, music, and movement. Understanding these multiple intelligences helps us to provide a variety of learning experiences to engage all students. Now, let's talk about 2 instructional strategies to address these diverse learning needs. For visual learners, one effective strategy is using graphic organizers. These help students map out their ideas visually, making it easier for them to see connections between concepts. This could be something simple like Venn diagrams, or more complex like mind maps. These tools help students structure their thoughts and retain information effectively. For kinesthetic learners, hands-on activities are essential. Activities like science experiments, building models, or role-playing scenarios can engage these students by allowing them to physically interact with the content. This approach helps them better understand concepts through active participation. Next, we have to think about the 4 C's of 21st century learning: communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. These skills are important for students so they can thrive in today's world. To promote communication, I like to recommend activities like class debates or presentations. When students have to explain their ideas to others, they practice clear communication, which is a valuable life skill. For collaboration, try using group projects, where students work together to solve a problem. This encourages teamwork and the exchange of ideas. These are all important for today's interconnected world. To foster critical thinking, try problem-based learning, or PBL. In PBL, students are given real-world problems to solve, which challenges them to think critically and apply what they've learned. For creativity, encourage students to complete project-based learning assignments where they can explore topics in depth and create something unique like a video, model, or piece of art. Moving forward, let's talk about student motivation. When students are motivated, they are more likely to stay engaged and take ownership over their own learning. Self-reflection is one way to encourage motivation. By keeping a learning journal, students can track their progress and reflect on their own goals. This helps them feel more in control of their learning. Another strategy to increase motivation is gamification. By turning lessons into games with rewards or challenges, we can create a more exciting and interactive learning experience. Students are motivated to engage because it feels like a game, but they're still learning valuable content. Finally, let's discuss the role of novelty in keeping students engaged. Novelty grabs students' attention and keeps them curious. Introducing something new like virtual reality can transform a lesson to an exciting experience. With virtual reality, students can virtually travel to ancient civilizations, explore space, or walk through historical events. This type of engagement not only makes the lesson more memorable, but also boosts motivation and excitement to learn. To wrap up, when we use the combination of instructional strategies that address different learning styles, incorporate the 4 C's, motivate students through reflection and gamification, and keep lessons fresh and novel, we create an environment where students can succeed. Thank you for watching, and I hope these strategies inspire you to implement new ideas in your classroom.